Hey there, fellow Dowsing fans and mind-body wisdom devotees. This is Colleen Flanagan. This video is about fear of healing. Now, years ago, I was working with a client one-on-one, and she said, why would anyone be afraid to heal? That's a very good question. That's what I wondered years ago. But from all the training I've been through about holistic health and how your subconscious mind works and your conscious mind and stuff, consciously you may be thinking, I'm not afraid to heal. I want to heal. I want this condition over with, or these mental issues, or these fears gone. But your subconscious mind is like, oh, well, if you change, if you're different, if you heal, if you're well again, who will you be? Your identity for years might have been this person who's always sick, who can barely walk or talk, or whatever your situation is. Maybe you have arthritis. You won't know who the new me is, and it could be a scary person to the subconscious mind. Subconscious mind will block that healing. You just be like, I'm not going to do this emotional release work. And fear healing is like a fear that with successful healing or wellness comes consequences, and it's easy to clear. All you have to do is clear your governing vessel meridian, as I'm always showing you guys. Do a little crumbling. I release this fear of healing, that I won't know who I am. I release this fear that I'll have to leave my support group. I'll have to go to family functions. I release all these fears now that a life of wellness is not for me. That a fear of the unknown is coming up now. That healing means more will be expected from me. Maybe I'll have to go back to work. I won't be able to stay home and get a disability check or family support me or whatever. Maybe I like the family's comfort and even feeling sorry for me. I let go of these fears that healing is going to create a life that I don't want. That's going to be worse than the life I have. I also release these fears that if I heal, when I become well enough, someone else in my family will become very, very ill. I've actually helped people through that fear. It's a very valid fear and more common than you would know. So that's pretty much, in general, reasons why people are afraid that with healing or wellness comes consequences. A lot of this is in the subconscious mind. You'd never believe it in a million years. I never did, but a lot of people who are chronically ill or have a chronic condition, even not being able to find work, whatever it happens to be, they have called payoffs to not changing their lives, to not healing, and those payoffs are their comfort zone, and they're afraid to leave their comfort zone. And again, the subconscious mind will keep you in your comfort zone because it doesn't know what's out there, but it knows what's in here and what's going on now, so we're just going to stay the same. I hope this all makes sense. If you like this video, please smash the like button. Also, leave a comment and leave a question if you want, or another topic I can talk to you about. I'm so happy to share all these decades of information that I have via these videos. My website's emorescue.com. Check it out. Lots of free stuff for you, human family, animal family, all that. No one deserves to suffer. No one needs to suffer. No one needs to punish themselves, no matter what they did, with any kind of ailment or disease or unwanted condition. You got the power, so use it. Thank you. Namaste. Peace out. My website, emorescue.com, offers free ebooks, audios, videos, EFT charts, free charts, all kinds of information for your self-healing empowerment. Check it out today. Thank you.